the company to default. Yesterday, we had the management as well quiz them about where they will be raising funds for business from. Management did say that they're looking to raise funds. Promoters are also likely to, infuse some of their funds in the business. But now they've gone ahead and informed exchanges that the board will meet to consider raising of funds via issue of securities on March 13th itself. So that'll be something important that we will track. They'll obviously also be looking at stock split, but that's besides the point. The stock split does not help the company's woes. What helps the company's woes is them raising funds via equity. Though remember, the stock has seen a big knock from 1,000 rupees over the last year to about 325 rupees. The warrants issued to the promoters were at around 870 rupees as well. So the price at which they will issue shares to raise funds via the issue of securities, the people who enter this company and the amount that the company raises for them to actually see the dilution that they will see after the big cut that we've seen would be extremely crucial to track. So March 13th, important day to look at for Gensol. This morning the stock was well bid, but thereafter it saw a fair amount of selling. Right now as well, on the back of this news, it's seen some amelioration, still sitting with losses of about 3% and this week going with cuts of about 41%. An important story to track from a business analysis standpoint. A lot of debt on their books. At the same time, we have downgrades coming in, a huge order book, whether the company cough up that money to actually execute those orders as well. But as we move towards close, some final words, Mitesh. Okay, let's begin to wrap up then. The Nifty marginally flat in what has been a good week for the bulls. So after 3 weeks of losses, the Nifty finally goes home this week with gains. For this week, the Nifty is up about 2%, snapping a 3-week losing streak. So fair to say that the bulls have clawed back. Not good enough yet to say that the bulls are fighting back or roaring back, but we live to see another week for the bulls itself. What did well all through today's trading session, the last couple of trading sessions, it's been Reliance single-handedly powering the Nifty on the way up. So today as well, the stock going higher by about 3%. We also see Nestle, which is up around 1%, BEL about 1.5% as well. Stocks that did not do well, IndusInd Bank, the top Nifty loser this week, down about 6% for the week, down about 4% today. We had NTPC, LTI Mindtree, Shriram Finance and Infosys. IT has actually been an underperformer in today's trading session and an underperformer this week as well. From the broader markets, the index was lower, but we did see a lot of stocks advancing, more stocks advancing than the number of stocks declining. Kalyan Jewellers down about 4.5%, Mahanagar Gas down about 4%. On the way up, some traction for Z, Titagarh Rail Systems, Alembic Pharma, Apollo Tyres and SRF. On the way down, for the smaller cap names, we did have, Gensol, which we just spoke about, down 40% this week. Brainbeast was lower by about 5% as well. Hexaware, we just heard the management speak about the future plans. Street, not very happy with the fourth quarter calendar 2024 results. On the way up, the last tick was fairly strong for PC Jewellers. The stock last tick is up around 9% and Stanley Lifestyles up around 10% as well. So by and large, a good week for the bulls, up 2% for the Nifty, 6% for the small cap index, 3% for the mid cap index. With that, we wrap up on this week of Closing Bell with the hope that India wins when we come back to you on Monday. But importantly, it's Friday. Don't go anywhere, because after this short break, we'll go up, sit at the editors round table as well, give you a roundup of the week that was.